What is boot configuration data (BCD)? Boot configuration data (BCD) is a crucial component in modern Windows operating systems. Let me explain what it is and why it matters. What is BCD? BCD stands for Boot Configuration Data. It serves as a firmware-independent database that contains boot-time configuration information. Essentially, BCD tells Windows how to boot when your PC starts up. Unlike the older boot.ini file used by NTLDR, an earlier boot manager, BCD is now used by Microsoft's new Windows Boot Manager. Why is BCD important? When you turn on your computer, the Windows Boot Manager uses the information stored in BCD to determine which operating system to load. BCD includes details about the installed OS, boot parameters, and other essential settings. If the BCD file is missing, corrupted, or contains errors, your Windows system may fail to boot properly. Common scenarios involving BCD. Missing BCD file. If the BCD file is missing or damaged, you might encounter error messages like, "Your PC needs to be repaired. The boot configuration data file is missing some required information. The boot configuration data for your PC is missing or contains errors." Damaged Master Boot Record (MBR). The MBR on your hard disk is crucial for booting. If the MBR is damaged, you might see an operating system wasn't found error. How to fix BCD issues? Automatic repair, startup repair. First, try using the startup repair mode from the Windows Recovery Environment (WinRE). If that doesn't work, proceed to manual steps. Manual steps, command prompt. Boot from the Windows installation media or WinRE. Open a command prompt. Create a new BCD file and update the MBR from scratch. Remember that BCD plays a critical role in ensuring your Windows system boots correctly.